What is up, everyone? Today we are back with another American Plains mudding video. Today we are going to be getting a new rig. So, just the details for today's video is we gotta go pick it up, pull it out of a ditch somewhere, and we're gonna take that bad boy home and fix her up, and maybe she'll be a brand new rig for us. But let's get right into the video. Alrighty, guys, we have made it to the house. So today's rig is going to be a 2025, seems to be 2000, pretty brand new Ford Lariat. Very nice. It's got a ranch hand on it. We've got a gooseneck trailer with a dovetail, and yeah, we also got a drop it. We got a drop hitch, toolbox, headache rack, and plenty of other things. Beautiful ranch hand. Yeah. And we got these beautiful retractable side steps. So it's gonna be really cool. But we're just gonna go ahead and hop in the truck, turn her on, and we're gonna head over to where this truck is. So I got word that the suspension is really messed up on it and the wheels are literally bending. That axle is probably in pieces. So I'm telling who left it there, but we're gonna find out. Is it gonna be a miss? Possibly. Probably likely that it's going to be a miss and this thing won't even fire. But it's just been in a ditch hole filled with mud this entire time. So we should be coming across it. Yep. There she is. Alrighty. Go ahead and throw my I'm sure this guy won't mind if we park our trailer down here. Sorry, I'm pretty good friends with the guy that owns this land anyways. Just go ahead and disconnect it. We got this really beautiful winch, 10,000 pound winch on it, so this will do us pretty good. Yeah, it's also missing a tailgate. But we are going to... It'd probably be best to attach it to the back. So we don't have much room to work with up there. Let's try this one. Alrighty. Got the cable. Gotcha. There we go. Alright, let's see if we can pull her out. Make sure let's see, probably pop this door. That's locked. Let me grab the curb bar. Alrighty, here we go. Alright. See, maybe poke this off. Yep. She starts somehow. Not very good though. I mean, look at this. Just terrible exhaust. Alright. Sweet. Man, this thing don't want to budge. Try. This will work. Yeah, if we can just get her out of this ditch right here, she'll be perfectly fine. Come on now. This little ditch right here. And we can pull it back some more. Man, this thing is hard to pull. Come on. We almost got her out of this. Yeah, maybe we can pull her from the front. Oh, and look. There we go. Come on. almost got her. She's almost out of the neck of the woods. Come on now. Come on, this is it. I can feel it. Alright, we get out one more tug and then we can get her. Now. We'll probably drive her once we get her fully on the road. That should be good enough. Alrighty. Let's go ahead and attach back to our trailer. Alright. Functions. Lower. Should work. I'd be really surprised if this thing if this thing moves. See. It sounds pretty good. Oh, it does. Barely though. Smoking a lot. Yeah, the wheels would just bend. It's not even funny. Oh, missed it there. Oh no! Oh my god, we just went rolling. Man, I'm scratching up on the truck. There we go. Sweet victory, finally. One it over in the end. Raise it. And fall off. And we are bringing this baby home with us. Let's hit the road. Alrighty. This thing is really heavy, I must say. It's making my truck look squatted. Look, we're going to take this thing into my warehouse and we'll do a few good repairs to it. Yeah, tailgate, we don't even know if I can find tailgates for this model anymore. They don't make these trucks. Ran a stop sign, but it's cool. It's whatever. Yeah, this time we didn't find one off Facebook Marketplace. We actually just got called about it. People like to call us and, you know, get us, we usually get a lot of vehicles. A lot of them. But, let's go open this up and then you guys get to see me back the trailer and oh, nah, that ain't work. So I say we could probably back it in, but I think we're just better to get the truck itself to them. So just lower it down right there. Don't really matter how we do this, we're just going okay, how we want to. Scratch up the bottom, we scratch up the bottom, it don't matter. It's just a game. There we go. Alright. We're gonna pull it into our garage. And yeah. We'll be back with you guys whenever we get this thing up and running. We're gonna take it for a test drive. Well, fellas, we have finished the job, and we have put a spotlight on it. The toolbox just laying around. I have one in my garage. Also had a few extra headache racks, put some new stuffs on it, ranch hand. Yeah, it came out pretty well whenever I sanded it. It's still a little bit rigid, but it'll do. Whatever works. But yeah, this thing came out really nice, I must say. Yeah, this thing has a lot of power to it, so I'm hoping we will be able to use this thing all on the farm pretty soon. But yeah, what an amazing truck. The way this turned out is beautiful. It's very beautiful. We also worked the suspension out, so now it's able to carry heavier loads. It's kind of a pre-squat. Looks very squatted, but it's whatever. It's gonna squat really bad whenever you're hauling something. Squat like this far down. But yeah, it's a beautiful, and I mean beautiful truck. I mean, it's wonderful. We got a new, I just put like Cummins in here, and it's really nice. So yeah. This is a really beautiful truck, and it rolls coal. When I tell you this thing rolls coal, it rolls like a whole coal mine. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'll see you guys in a few days, and yeah, hope you guys have a good night. Peace.